Are you thinking about buying Landingi for your landing page needs? Before you make that decision, there are 12 things you should know to make sure it's the right choice for you. Stick around till the end, and we'll also compare it to other competitors in the market. First, Landingi offers a drag and drop builder, making it easy for non technical users to create landing pages. While this feature is fairly common in the industry, Landingi's interface is particularly intuitive, which means you don't have to spend time learning how to use the tool. Next thing to consider is the template library. Landingi offers a good selection, but it doesn't have the sheer variety that some competitors like Unbounce or Leadpages provide. If you're looking for a wide range of customizable templates, you might find other platforms more fitting. The third thing is the ease of A/B testing. Landingi makes it easy to test variations of your landing pages, but it lacks some of the advanced targeting and optimization features found in tools like Instapage. If you need more granular control over your A/B tests, Landingi might fall short. Moving on, Landingi supports integrations with various third-party tools. It's not as extensive as other platforms like ClickFunnels, but it does cover the basics. If your business relies heavily on integrations with platforms like Zapier or MailChimp, you won't be disappointed. Now, let's talk about pricing. Landingi has a relatively affordable pricing structure, which sets it apart from more expensive competitors like Leadpages or Unbounce. However, while it's cheaper, it doesn't offer all the advanced features that come with the pricier plans of some other landing page builders. Another thing to note is its customer support. Landingi offers 24/7 support, which is a huge advantage, especially when compared to other platforms where support might be limited to business hours or have slower response times. The sixth thing is the lack of a built-in email marketing feature. While you can integrate with email platforms like MailChimp, it's not as seamless as using something like Builderall or Kartra, which have native email marketing capabilities. Moving forward, if you're someone who loves data and analytics, Landingi does offer tracking options, but it isn't as robust as some other landing page builders. Competitors like Unbounce give you access to more detailed analytics, so if you rely heavily on data, you might prefer them. The eighth thing to consider is its mobile optimization. Landingi offers responsive designs, but they don't always provide the level of control over mobile customizations that other tools like Instapage offer. If you want complete control over how your landing page looks on mobile, you may be limited. Another downside is the lack of a split testing tool for form submissions, which is a feature that other competitors like Leadpages offer. This can make it harder to fine-tune your conversion strategy. The 10th thing is the learning curve. While Landingi is relatively easy to use, it does take some time to fully explore and master the platform. If you want a quicker start, platforms like ClickFunnels might offer a more straightforward onboarding process. Moving on, Landingi doesn't have some of the advanced features like webinar hosting, which you might find in tools like Kartra or ClickFunnels. If your business strategy involves using webinars, you may need an additional tool to make the most out of Landingi. The 12th thing is the scalability of the platform. Landingi works well for small to medium-sized businesses, but may struggle as your business grows. If you're looking for something more enterprise level, you might find other options like Unbounce a better fit. Overall, Landingi is a solid landing page tool, especially for small businesses or individuals just starting out. It offers great value for its price, though it may not have all the advanced features that come with some of the pricier alternatives. If you're looking for a more feature-rich solution, check out our recommended platform that you can try for free.